Chizuba, 19 years old. His mat is on the ground outside the main gate of Ariara Market, Aba. A square of blue tarpaulin between him and the sky, letting the rain in sideways when it comes. He repairs phones. Not in a shop, on a mat. His tools are lined up on a folded cloth beside him. 3 screwdrivers of different sizes, a pair of tweezers, a small torch, a Nokia he has already fixed once today. He learned everything from a Motorola manual someone threw away in 1999, and from watching, for 3 years, the hands of the man whose mat was here before his. A man stands in front of him now. Nokia 3310. The screen is shattered. The man says, "Enweghị m ego. I don't have money. He will bring it on Friday." Chizuba picks up the phone and turns it over in his hands. He says nothing. He takes the phone. He begins to work. Ndewo. No. I am Yvonne Choma Mbanefo, heritage futurist and daughter of the soil. Welcome to Igbo Daily Drops. Episode 32, Week 7, Day 2, Tuesday. Today, what a man does when trust is the only currency that clears. You can download the free workbook for today, Week 7, at learnigbonow.com. Ka anyị bido. Let us begin. There is something the Igbo have always known about the way trust works. That it is only as good as the people who hold it. Ọ bụrụ na ọjị aghaghị ụgha, ose agaghị agha ụgha. Ọ bụrụ na ọjị aghaghị ụgha, ose agaghị agha ụgha. Provided the kola nut does not prove deceptive, the pepper will surely not be deceptive either. This is a proverb about contract, not written contract, the deeper kind, the one held between 2 people before any paper exists. When the kola nut is honest, the pepper is honest. When one side keeps faith, both sides are held. The proverb knows what happens when they don't. Today, you will learn to say what you do not have. Money, news, time. 3 absences. 1 grammar. The architecture of honest shortage. Friday comes. The man does not come. Chizuba sits at his mat until the light changes. He watches the road the way a person watches a road when they already know what they are watching for will not appear. He picks up someone else's phone. His hands work. His eyes are somewhere else. He has no message from the man. Enweghị m ozi. Nothing. The following week, the man appears again. He is not carrying the money. He is carrying a story. 4 minutes long. His mother's hospital bill. His landlord. Something about a boss from Umuahia. Chizuba does not look up from the phone he is working on. He listens to the whole story. The man has another broken phone. Different model. Cracked casing. Dead battery. He holds it out. The man came back. He walked from wherever he walked from. back to the smart, carrying a second broken thing, and a story instead of payment. The nerve of it. Enweghị m oge, Chizuba thinks. I do not have time. He puts down the phone he is holding. He picks up the new one. He turns it over in his hands. Slowly, the way you examine something before you decide what it is worth to you. He begins to work. I grew up sometimes watching traders like Aba traders work. You learn very quickly in those markets that what holds the whole thing together has no name in formal economics. It is not a contract. It is not a receipt. It is something older. Writing in Africa Development Journal, 2013, Dr. Levi Charles Odera of the University of Florida studied trust as an institution in Africa's informal sector across multiple countries. He found that where formal mechanisms, contracts, legal enforcement, registered credit were absent, trust filled the vacuum, not as sentiment, as architecture, as the actual operating system of the economy. Odera named two dimensions: social networks built on trust and business corporations sustained by it. The informal sector, which by 2005 absorbed over 80% of workers in some African countries, ran on this system, not in spite of the absence of formal institutions, but by replacing them entirely. The Igbo have known this for centuries. The Isusu saving system, rotating credit pools held together entirely by mutual obligation and oath, is documented in Nigeria by at least the 19th century. No bank, no paperwork, just trust, accumulated over time through repeated small acts of keeping faith. Game theorists named this in 1984. Robert Axelrod's tournament proved that reciprocal cooperation, give trust, extend trust, withdraw when it is broken, is the optimal strategy in any repeated interaction. What Ariara Market encoded in practice, the laboratory confirmed in theory. Trust is not the soft version of credit. It is the original version. Now, let us build your drops for today. Repeat after me. 1. Enweghị m ego. I don't have money. Enweghị m ego. Enweghị m ego. 2. Enweghị m ozi. I don't have a message. I don't have news. Enweghị m ozi. Enweghị m ozi. 3. Enweghị m oge. I don't have time. Enweghị m oge. Enweghị m oge. Take this with you. The caller knot proved deceptive. Chizuba picked up the phone anyway. That is not naivety. That is a man who understands that trust is not repaid in the transaction where it is broken. It is repaid over time, through the slow accumulation of everything that comes after. Before this day ends, say enweghị m oge to someone. Not to practice the words, but to notice what it costs you to say what you do not have. That honesty is the purpose side of the proverb. It is yours to keep, whether or not the colonel does. Every sentence you learn is a drop, and every drop feeds Oke Osimiri Mmụta Igbo, the ocean of Igbo knowledge. Grab your free speaking workbook at learnibonow.com for week 7. Rate us wherever you're listening. Your review is how another learner finds their way home. Abụ nwanne gị nwanyị, Yvonne Chioma Mbanefo. I am your sister, Yvonne Chioma Mbanefo. Ka aka gị nọọ n'ọrụ. Ka ọrụ gị nọọ n'aka gị. May your hands remain in your work and your work remain in your hands. Ka anyị hụ echi. Until we meet again tomorrow.